Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and we're going to get straight into our daily stock recap. So the first stock we're looking at is NEO on the 30-minute time frame, and NEO had a pretty nice day today, up almost 4%. As you can see, we bounced off nicely a couple times off this bottom line of support in our wedge pattern, and now we are trading somewhere near the middle of it. So right now, since we did test the bottom, I do want to see a test of this top line of resistance here in the $60 range, and then we will see what we can do with NEO when that time comes. As of right now, we are still trading in this bull flag. NEO is looking pretty good to me right now, but the conclusion of this pattern isn't until the end of February, and so we'll get a better look and a bigger move with NEO when that date arrives. As of today, we're up almost 4%. Solid day for NEO shareholders today. Second stock of the day, we're looking at BLNK on the 30-minute time frame, and for the amount of times that I've bought puts on this stock, the stock does just seem to climb right back up. And so if we look at what happened today, we clawed our way right back into this trading channel that we have been in for the majority of this run up. And so that was actually a very bullish sign to see for BLNK charging. And so since we are holding this line of support, we back tested it right here. I do want to see an upper test of this resistance line here near this high of $57. If we can get up to that point, break through and go above, we should see more all-time highs with this one. But again, we are already in overvalued territory, and so for us just rising up even more, maybe another opportunity for me to buy some more puts. And so if we do get back up to this line of resistance, I may open up another put option position for BLNK charging, because it just seems to be trading in this pattern. And so we will see how this one goes, but we are coming to the conclusion of this pattern, and it does just keep wrestling back into this. And so we will see how this one plays out. We have this pattern running all the way until near the end of February. And so NEO and BLNK are trading in patterns that conclude around the same time. So that is a little bit interesting to know. And so I will keep that in the back of my head as I trade these stocks. And so BLNK had a solid day today, up 8.19%. Next stock of the day, we're looking at GOEV on the 30-minute time frame. And so Canoe had a pretty nice day today, up almost 4%. We've been battling with this 50 SMA. So if I zoom in right here, yesterday we closed on the 50 SMA, and then today we had a nice price action movement to the upside. You could see that buyers came in very nicely here, and that is a very bullish sign for GOEV. So now we are sitting above the 50 SMA, and we're sitting above the uptrend line, and we saw the volume pick up when we were tested as support on 50 SMA. So that is a very good sign to see if you are in Canoe stock. I've been preaching this from the beginning. If I pull this out onto the daily time frame, as long as we are above this line, we are bullish. And so anytime you can get an opportunity to catch these dips at these levels, they do make for pretty good swing plays. And so right now we are well above at 1640. Solid day today for GOEV, up 3.99%. Next stock of the day, we're looking at HYSR on the 30-minute time frame. So Sun Hydrogen was down today about 0.092%, but you can see what happened today. We got rejected by the shorter term line of resistance. We came back down, we almost back tested this as support, and then we tried to claw our way right back up to this line of resistance. And so for HYSR, if we want to see that nice move up, we are going to have to break this line right here of resistance. And if we get better confirmation and a better bounce off this line of support, it should help us break through this line of resistance. And so tomorrow and Friday, I'm very excited to see what happens with this one. I want to see if we can hold this line and break through. But today was a pretty even, steady day. We got rejected by that line of resistance once, and so we were overall down 0.92% with HYSR today. Last stock of the day, we're looking at SNDL on the 30-minute time frame. So Sundial had another extraordinary day today, up almost 16.5%. And so with this one, we have a shorter term uptrend line right here that we've been following. And every single time we've been interacted with this at this level, it was a buying opportunity. As you can see right here, we have just been clawing our way back. And so if I zoom this out a little bit more, we are sitting on an even longer uptrend line. So this uptrend line right here is the be all break all for SNDL. If this line breaks, we are completely bearish on SNDL. But this line that we're trading on right now is a shorter term uptrend. So if we break this one, we have this uptrend to fall back on as a longer term uptrend. And so right now we're still sticking with this one. And as you can see, the angle on this one is pretty steep. So if SNDL keeps trading on this one, we should be seeing a lot more volatile moves either to the upside or to the downside in larger percentages. And so we saw that today, up 16%. Overall, SNDL has been trading beautifully. So that was the daily stock recap of all the stocks we were looking at. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. We are on that road to 10K subs. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.